Our humble obeisance to the one we revere, our deep obeisance to the one we revere, we watched the divine procession through our eyelids. We saw that Saṁsārī Jīv are divided into two types, namely Sthāvar and Tras. Sthāvar Jīv are those Saṁsārī Jīv who are stationary in their place and cannot move on their own. Tras Jīv are those Saṁsārī Jīv who can move on their own. Sthāvar Jīv are of 5 types. 5 Sthāvar and Tras together make 6 types of Jīv or Ṣaḍ Jīv. They are embodied, hence they are called Nikāy. Thus there are 6 types of embodied Jīv or Ṣaḍ Jīv Nikāy. We also saw that Prithvīkāy, Jīv whose body is earth, Apakāy, Jīv whose body is water, Teūkāy, Jīv whose body is fire, Vāūkāy, Jīv whose body is air, and Vanaspatikāy, Jīv whose body is plants, are the 5 types of Sthāvar Jīv. All Sthāvar Jīv have only one sense, the sense of touch, and no mind. These are Ekendriya Jīv or one-sensed living beings. In this video, we'll introduce Saṁsārī Tras Jīv, which start with 2-sensed living beings, also known as Beindriya. We saw that Sthāvar Jīv are spread throughout Lok. Tras Jīv are located only in the place known as Tras Nadi within Lok. The types of Tras Jīv are Beindriya, Teūkāy, Chaurendriya and Panchendriya. A Beindriya Jīv has 2 sense organs of touch and taste. A Teūkāy Jīv has 3 sense organs of touch, taste and smell. A Chaurendriya Jīv has 4 sense organs of touch, taste, smell and vision. A Panchendriya Jīv has 5 sense organs of touch, taste, smell, vision and hearing. As the number of sense organs increases, perception broadens and the manifested knowledge correspondingly increases. The Jīv from Ekendriya to Chaurendriya, that is from 1 to 4 senses, do not have a mind. Therefore, they are called Asanni Jīv. Asanni Jīv are those who do not have a mind. Panchendriya Jīv are further classified into 2 types, namely Asanni, not having a mind, and Sanni, having a mind. Asanni Panchendriya includes the 14 types of Sammurchim Jīv found in the 14 types of what are known as Ashuchi substances, which we will explain in a future video. Sanni Jīv have a mind, and along with mind they have memory and intellect. Sanni Jīv can combine sense experiences using memory, make decisions using intellect, and acquire a much larger level of knowledge in the process. The Jīv from Ekendriya to Asanni Panchendriya are totally dependent on the working of the embodied structure they acquire in nature. These Jīv cannot be taught or trained to behave in a certain way because they have no mind and memory to store and apply the acquired knowledge. Sanni Panchendriya includes Tiryanch, meaning non-human animals, Narki, meaning dwelling in the hells, Devta, meaning dwelling in the heavens, and Manushya, meaning human beings. Sanni Panchendriya Jīv can be trained because they can remember and combine experiences using mind, memory and intellect and adapt their behavior. We see that Sanni Panchendriya Tiryanch, non-human animals such as aquatic animals like dolphins, earthbound animals like dogs, cats and cows, and birds like pigeons can be trained to behave in a certain way. This is called conditioning in psychology. Our knowledge of Narki, meaning dwelling in the hells, and Devta, meaning dwelling in the heavens, is limited to what is stated in the books. We will not delve further into these owing to not having direct experience of such Jīv. We see the maximum level of manifested knowledge in Sanni Panchendriya Manushya, Homo sapiens or rational human beings. Human beings are the only species using a versatile language and writing scripts to share knowledge with other human beings. We have acquired a tremendous amount of knowledge by means of speaking and listening. We store knowledge by means of writing, which can be later read to understand. Our sages have pronounced that Keval Jnana can be attained only by a human being. The 84 lakh Jivayoni or 8.4 million species are as follows: 7 lakh Prithvīkāy, 7 lakh Apakāy, 7 lakh Teūkāy, 7 lakh Vāūkāy, 10 lakh Vanaspatikāy, 14 lakh Ṣaḍ Vanaspatikāy, 2 lakh Beindriya, 2 lakh Ekendriya, 2 lakh Chaurindriya, 4 lakh Narki, 4 lakh Devta, 4 lakh Tiryanch Panchendriya, and 14 lakh Manushya species. The Bhavya Saṁsārī Jīv journey through this 84 lakh Jivayoni until they attain Keval Jnana while gaining some knowledge in each life, with humble submission to the divine nature God.